Good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, May 3rd. What do we got on the docket today? We've got average hourly earnings, which were less than expected. So that means people are making less money than expected. It is a positive number, which means we are making a little bit more money, just not as much as expected. Non-farm payroll came in at 175,000 versus 238 expected. And of course, the market went ape. Absolutely went ape. We'll talk about that in a minute. Absolutely stupidity at its finest. So what does this number mean? It means that we only created 175,000 jobs. That's terrible. That's just terrible. This is bad news for the economy. Very bad news for the economy. Yet the market loved it because maybe the Fed will lower interest rates, which, you know what? It's like the whole market is so fixated with interest rates that they're missing the big picture. The big picture is that the inflation's going up and the economy is slowing down. These are all bad things. And guess what? We're going to start hearing the R word. Remember what the R word was? Recession. Yeah. What happens if we start going into recession? Then it doesn't matter if they lower interest rates because the economy's going to crap. The market defies logic sometimes. I guess it's a great example of when you should have no opinion. You just trade what you see. Have no opinion. Employment rate went up slightly to 3.9. 3.9 is not a bad number. So, I mean, we got good things going on about the economy. We have bad things going on about the economy, and it is very hard to negotiate. 9:45, we have final services PMI, and at 10 o'clock, we have the ISM services PMI. That is a red number, so be aware. At 8:15 p.m., after the markets close, we have some talking heads. Don't really care. Some on Saturday as well. Again, these are yellow items nobody cares about. Moving on. What do we got going on? So, after this giant rejection day on the Fed, we had a bit of a reprisal, this really looked like a dead cat bounce, and I would have expected it to go down, but no. We've got terrible job numbers, so let's go up. The irony is beyond belief here. I think the market, again, I think. When you say the word I think, that means you're going to suck at trading. Stop thinking, trade what you see. Very important lesson to be learned here. And I'm going to be telling myself that all day today because to me, this is the most ridiculous response known to man. That being said, where could we go? Well, I think we can definitely go to 51.90 is possible. Where else could we go? We could easily take out the low overnight back below 5,100. It is a seesaw action that's going on right now in the market, so beware. It is what it is. Intraday, looking at the inventory. So we had a plus day yesterday, and we barely 500 contracts positive inventory. So, I think maybe somebody's going, I'm not sure, even though if the market's going up, I'm not sure I want to be buying. So it is correlated, so that's the way it's supposed to be. And then you can see this giant monstrosity of ignorance, stupidity, whatever you want to call it. Again, having an opinion is dangerous when you are a trader. What do? You want to trade what you see, not what you think. When you start thinking is whenever you start imposing your beliefs upon the market, and that is extremely dangerous. So big move to the upside here. Again, defies gravity is what it is. Where is support and resistance? We've got some at 51, resistance at 51.68, which is really close to that 51.70 number. That's been a number for several days now. 93's got some confluence, lots of resistance. You see all these lines above, lots of resistance on the upside. On the downside, where do we have support? We got support here at 50.86. 50.61, and probably right around the number 50.50. And then if it breaks that 50, I'm going to say 50.39, 38-ish, which was yesterday's low. So there are your numbers for today. Stock Trader's Almanac for Friday, May 3rd is negative 42.9. 42.9. So we have a negative expectancy historically from the Stock Trader's Almanac for today. Thank you guys for subscribing. Please remember to subscribe and comment and like. Have a great day and have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.